how to draw Rengoku is so let's start. So first of all, I'm drawing the rough sketch of Rengoku. My rough sketch is finished. Let's draw the outline. I'm started in the face. The ears and gloves. Then I'm drawing the details of clothes. Then pants. I know you are a huge fan of Rengoku. For seeing more enjoying videos, like and subscribe. Also, my outline is finished. Let's see the final. Then I'm inking. All parts are covered. Almost done. The final touch. Read the drawing. Also, next video I'm color it. See you next video. Bye.